Alright, so Gilibers, magandang umaga sa inyo lahat So, sa mga first time tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat gusto magpa-coach kayo, Doc, or if you need a speaker for your webinar, open na tayo ngayon, seminar na, back on stage, Rockstar. PM ka lang, sa personal FB ko, nandiyan lang sa paligid, okay? Alright, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Tom and Tom's Coffee. We had our first meet-up of Women of Faith Fellowship. As you know, I joined Women of Faith Fellowships maybe a few months na during the pandemic, and now we had a chance to meet together. And nawala na sila, umuwi na sila. So, yeah, pakita na lang namin mga pictures. Women of Faith is a group of, you know, it's a what do you call it? Non-sectarian, right? So, regardless of religion, so meron kaming weekly fellowship, we discuss motivation, we had prayer time, right? And one of the people na members, one of our members na close friend natin, nakita niyo sa vlog ko, di ba? So, Ma'am Rosie, Miss Rosie, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Hi, Delivers.
Yeah.
A beautiful evening, a beautiful
Good morning,
morning to all of you.
And Ma'am.
Hi.
Yeah, no, mamaya pakita na yung mga picture. Ganito kasi siya, you know, there was an invitation 2 days ago. So I was thinking of, if I'll go here, I will miss maybe 2 vlogs. I will miss 1 webinar with my other company. As you know po, meron tayong isang company, meron pa tayong isa, meron pa tayong isa. So I have to cancel everything just for this, okay? So sa lahat mga business owners, minsan di ba, you know, nangihinayang tayo dun sa, ay, hindi ako makapunta sa office ko. Hindi ko magagawa to in exchange of one activity, but you didn't realize that one activity can do a lot in your business, and that is networking.
Yes.
Yeah. Your network. So as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, it's important to have your to widen your network. But before that, Miss Rosie, please introduce yourself first and your business before we discuss that.
Okay. Good morning, Delivers. Once again, I'm so happy to talk in front of you again. A lot of Delivers, you may already know me before, because I'm a very close friend with Dr. Gigi.
And we did TikTok already.
Yeah, we did TikTok already.
Don't cry, don't cry.
Yes.
Remember that?
I know.
This is my life.
Yes, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a Chinese. I live in the Philippines for almost 15 years.
Wow.
We have a manufacturing business here located inside Clark. We are supplying the lighting product like the chandeliers, world-class decorative lighting products.
And they are the sponsor of our business
Yes,
center.
I'm so grateful to sponsor the chandeliers for Dr. Gigi's office. We are exporting our products to all over the world. We are very proud to make the products here in the Philippines and use our Philippine craftsmanship. So far, our products is distributed in USA, British, and we are starting to develop our local market here in the Philippines.
Yes.
We are very happy to know we are widening our network and have more local business growing here in the Philippines. If you need lighting products, please feel free to reach me or contact Dr. Gigi. So we will be able to supply you to make your home a beautiful place.
Yes. And we're coming out with soon. Rockstar lamp, right?
Yes.
Soon, Rockstar lamp.
Yes.
Alright, so Miss Rosie, how important is this morning meetup to you as a business owner? So imagine we cancel everything. She canceled whatever meeting she has just to attend this 2-hour style, no?
Yes,
2 hours,
yes,
3 hours fellowship. What is
Yeah.
the importance of this, or what is the impact of this to your business?
Of course, as a businesswoman, it's so important always have connection with people in different fields. This morning I was so grateful I was able to meet a group of wonderful ladies from different fields. I was able to connect with some business opportunities with my fellow women of this group women. I can see there's so many opportunities if you are able to express yourself, what you can do to the others, who you are. You will be able to easily connect with people. You will find the business opportunities, like what I'm doing with Dr. Gigi. I'm really busy this morning. I was supposed to go to office 9, but now it's already 10. I still want to stay here because I know this is so important for me to have this opportunity
Yes.
to expand more business opportunities
Yes.
with more people.
So as a business owner, you need to connect yourself to more people because
Yes.
these people will connect your business to more and more people.
Exactly.
Okay? And that will give you sales, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so thank you. So we'll discuss more mamaya. Thank you, Miss Rosie.
Thank
So if
you.
you need lights, so La Forge, right?
Yes, of course.
Of
Always
course.
remember La Forge Lighting. Please follow us through Facebook page La Forge Lighting. So where you can see what we are doing and what we can do for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Miss Rosie.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
we
you.
have a younger vlogger here. Introduce yourself and your channel.
Right
Yeah,
now.
start. Yeah.
Hi.
Grab the opportunity.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Jem Tayag and I'm a vlogger and soon to be entrepreneur.
Why not?
And my YouTube channel is Jem Tayag. You can search it on YouTube na lang. Thank you.
What is the content?
It's about everything about my lifestyle and
It's a lifestyle.
yeah,
life.
and it's about fitness, being healthy.
Oh, thank you. Young entrepreneur. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so Delivers, if you have your business, connect yourself to different people, okay? So that these different people will connect your business. Alright? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go. Thank you. Kahapon galing tayo sa Clark. Na-meet natin yung ating mga ka-fellowship sa Women of Faith. So yung iba doon, first time lang natin nakita, yung iba second time, but still, nagpunta tayo, and ako nag-drive ako from Bataan to Clark. Hindi ko kabisado, nag-waze lang ako, okay? So, ang pinapakita ko lang po sa ating lahat, sa lahat ng mga entrepreneur, business owner, may negosyo, ano yung isang bagay na hindi mo dapat pang hinayangan? Di ba minsan nanghihinayang tayo pag merong mga invitation na non-business. So, for example, yun, yung eksena na yung kahapon, what happened yesterday, ang invitation po doon is, let's have walking, yan. Maglakad lang tayo. So, napagkasunduan lang, Doc, maglakad tayo. Everyone was so excited. O sige, lakad lang tayo sa CDC. Yun lang, then let's have coffee. So, it's a non-business, di ba? Wala naman nabanggit doon na pag-usapan natin, Doc, ang negosyo. Mag-usap tayo, paano tayo magpa-partner, mag-collab. Walang ganon. Alright? So, your role as an entrepreneur, number one, is to say yes. Okay? So, sa lahat ng klase ng invitation, business invitation, non-business invitation, always say yes. Basta merong involved na isang tao na ngayon mo lang mamimit. Or maybe yung invitation na yon, alam mo na you check the background, alam mo meron siyang negosyo. So, you always say yes. Okay? So, ganito. Anong second kong gagawin, Doc? So, ganito po. So, I went there, I drove, gano'n, kwento-kwento. It's a non-business, di ba talaga? Non-business. But you know, as a business owner, as an entrepreneur, you have this capacity to convert that non-business invitation to business meeting. Alright? Non-business, ulitin ko non-business meeting, converting it to business meeting. Alright? So, una, di ba, ganun lang naman yun. Ay, kita-kita tayo, kopi, masaya, di ba? TikTok kami, di ba? So, and later on, when I stayed there, nagkaroon ng mga small meetings. So, yung non-business meeting na yun, naging business meeting na. And dun ko na nakakwentuhan ko na yung iba't iba. So, yan, nakakita natin sa video. So, merong may-ari pala ng travel agency, merong manager ng event organizer yung isa, and yung isa may resto, madaming mga businesses na nag-pop up. And you know, ito, para ma-convert mo yan sa business meeting, so try to see, habang nag-uusap kayo, paano ka makakaroon ng partnership or paano mabubuhay or may papanganak si collaboration. It's either number one, you can help them market their products or their services, like kung meron kang marketing arm, marketing tool. So like tayo, so I can easily advertise their business, di ba? So pwedeng dumaan sa YouTube ko yun, pwedeng dumaan sa TikTok, pwedeng dumaan sa social media platforms ko. Alright? And second na pwede mong gawin is you have to spot paano ko offer ng solution. Right? For example, may isa tayo doon na nakausap. Ito yung business status niya ngayon. So sabi ko, sige, one time I'll be visiting Clark again, like ngayon or next week. Visit natin ang Clark, tapos let's have a second round ng coffee. Then pag-usapan natin, paano ako makapag-offer ng solution. So you offer solution, dun sa kinukwento nila. Kasi magkukwento naman yung business. Tandaan natin, lahat ng business owner, hindi mo mapipigilan yan. Ikukwento at ikukwento niya negosyo niya. So habang nagkukwento siya ng negosyo, sabayan mo na ng pag-iisip, how can I offer solution sa existing situation ng business owner na to? Alright? And more. Marami ka pang pwedeng gawin, okay? So dalawa lang yon. Either you market their products or services, you provide solution, or maybe eventually pwede kayo maging partner. You can offer a partnership like, ito, I'm good in this area, ikaw, you are good in that area, so let's collab. Yun lang, okay? So, wag panghinayangan lahat ng mga businesses. Alam mo ba ngayon, hanggang kagabi, nag-usap kami, hanggang ngayong umaga. Kasi, eto mga kapatid, kasi nga, di ba, plan na natin na magpunta tayo sa Clark, mag-office tayo sa bandang Clark, San Fernando, kung saan. Kasi we went there already 2 weeks ago with my sister to put up another financial center na IMG Rockstar. By the way, if you want to join my team, IMG Rockstar, kung ikaw taga Pampanga, mag-ready ka na, padating na sila Rockstar dyan. So, yun, ngayon, meron ng mga, I asked their, expertise, lalo si Miss Casey sa real estate, kung saan ako pwedeng mag-rent. Yun. So, connections, di ba? We all need connections, okay? And what else? So, yun, abangan nyo. And sa pang-announcement, bago tayo mag-end, abangan nyo po na open na tayo ngayon. Open na tayo, hindi nyo abangan. Ngayon na nangyayari na. Open na tayo for face-to-face consultation. So, live coaching, kung anong coaching gusto natin, business consultation, pwede kayong mag-PM sa akin. Open na, face-to-face. So, pwede tayong magkita dito sa Bataan, Pampanga, San Fernando, sa Clark, or pwede sa Manila. Tingnan natin, pag-usapan natin, okay? Of course, pwede pa rin tayo online. And if you need a speaker for your seminar, pwede na rin ata ngayon, pwede na, di ba? So, PM ka lang, okay? And yan, pakita natin pala ang video clip ni, interview ko kay Ma'am Rosie Wu. Ma'am Rosie Wu is the CEO of, owner po siya ng LaFords. So, yan, may mga chandelier products sila. So, isa rin siya sa naniniwala na we really need connections in our business. Yan, magpakita tayo ng konti video clips ng kanyang mga binanggit. Okay? Maraming salamat! Let's go! Let's go! See you in Pampanga, Clark. Okay? Sa lahat mo gusto magpa-coach ulit. Let's go. Thank you.